Rolling.
Started?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello everyone, we are DFI. We are 40 years Taiwanese-based industrial computer solution provider, and we are manufacturing and design headquartered in Taiwan. So, and we're under the 100. Sorry.
You can continue.
Oh, you will cut that. Okay. So our product line is expanding from the motherboard and computer, and we provide a solution in multiple industry. For example, the vehicle, transportation, defense, and the AI edge, which is the most popular in these couple of years. Yeah, and our branch office, which provides the service and customer support in the across the 5 continents. So we are welcome most of our partners who is engaged in the industrial solution and come to contact us. We'll provide the best service of ourselves. Thank you.